Hi guys, another vlog, another training. So, eto, kagigising natin. So, habol tayo. Time check is already 8 a.m. So, bali, babiyahe tayo ngayon papuntang Brittany Hotel PGC. So, meron tayong training doon sa US Potato. So, magkakaroon tayo ng certificate. So, guys, tignan natin mamaya kung anong mangyayari doon. See you. Brittany Hotel. Hi guys, andito na tayo sa BGC Brittany Hotel. Hi Jeff. Andito na yung mga kasama ko. So, meron kaming training ngayon sa US Potato. So, thank you guys. Let's go.
So guys, papunta kami sa isang training ng with some food safety.
Saan kaya siya? Sa right o sa left?
Pili mo sa
I used to have a small Japanese restaurant nagkaroon din kami sa I rent yung mga ganun pa, no? So kapag mga living organisms in an apartment and converted into a Japanese restaurant or restaurant, hindi pwede yan ang pwede. Pag in-harvest na yan, and then pinasa receiving, syempre meron is anymore, but it's because this is a reference, is for you to see that open fruit and vegetable.
Hi guys, dito kami. So, lunch muna tayo. Meron tayong konting. So, let's go.
Bumili-bili pa ako.
ito, sabaw.
So, tayong breakfast. Tuna po siya pa naman. Chef MJ pala. Naka-BL siya. Hermel pala, sorry. Chef Mio.
Mobile Legend. Naka-Mobile Legend.
Chef Richie. Chef Richie pala. I'm an executive chef. Ang breakfast muna. Ay siya. Saka naka-park chef. B1. Meron ba yun, Chef? Meron po. Sa dito sa hotel. Yung unang kanan, Aura ba yun? Ah, okay. Yung dalawang connection, yung pupunta ka muna ng ground.
Frozen and dehydrated potato products start from 100% U.S. fresh, nutrient-dense potatoes. And since U.S. potato products meet the highest USDA grade and FDA-certified food standards, we assure the safety and quality of each and every potato. Specialized growing methods and farming conditions are important to ensure consistent growth. For instance, potatoes love it when days are warm and long, and nights are cool. Additionally, cold hard winters play an important role by keeping pests and disease away. Using the latest technology to constantly monitor the weather and field.
Hi, good morning. So, dito sa DK, alam ko hindi kayo gumagamit ng fries, pero yung ibang concept nyo meron. Ayun, so, we're going to teach you yung proper fry technique, no? Ano naman to, technically sa general na fry preparation technique, pero we're just focusing on fries. Yan. So, a clean and well-maintained fryer will ensure consistent cooking of each and every basket. Ito yung laging nakikita kong concern sa kitchen. Even sa mga card, sa mga tinatraining namin. Kasi lagi ang basis ng mga tao is color ng fry, color ng oil, minsan kahit maitim na binabagsak pa rin. Hindi siya nakakain o kasi wala. Basta magkakulay lang yung fries, okay na kahit sunog. Serve agad, na hindi sila aware na sunog na pala yun or overcooked na. So syempre, even if you have the best product, yung oil pa rin yung basis mo. No? Tsaka yung fryer, pinaka-importante na kailangan siya i-calibrate. We prepared this.
All the fats
So palagi, ito yung meron sa market na bin namin sa market, pero vegetable, any neutral flavor oil. But if you have the budget, okay yung please follow for flavor. Ayan, si Prime Pacific, may nabenta siya, please follow. So right here, we have the crinkle cut rice. The first step lagi, of course, preheat our oil. Pagkapansin lagi sa fryer, you have two lights. One is the green, one is the orange one. Or the red one. Yung red mag-i-indicate na heating up siya. Pag nawala yung sindi, nakuha na yung temperature niya. So, when you fry fries, fill half lang ng basket. But make sure, pupunta sa oil mo, yung mag-cause ng carbon. Hinahalongkat, pinutong, ginaganon. Continuous fries, malalak pa hapwa yung fries. There's different fry cups, there's different. One, two,
Pagbalik ni Chef MJ. Chef, babalik ka na ba sa... Chef, babalik ka na ba next week? Para makapag-mancom na tayo.
Hindi po, sir. Ay, nakasal pa ako pag-weekend.
May love lesson. Hi guys, kain muna tayo ng lunch. So, meron sila ditong Korean barbecue. Sarap to. Try natin. Nice, nice. So, roasted chicken.
Pwede mo ganyan. Tama ko lang ako na.
Very pala si boss.
Ay, ako malood. Kaya kami yung pwede mo albalay na may mga
Yun. Meron tayong book. Booklet. Meron tayo na apron from US. Potato. Yan guys. Tayo na tayo. Tapos na guys. Nabusog kami. Sobra. Okay dito. Okay yung training namin dito. Okay ba yung training?
Okay.
Okay. Chef, okay ba yung training natin? Yes.